This is the fall or the season for Wishi. It's probably in a dark spot, and where the leaves are real moist, that's how they grow. There's one right there, Katie. She's learned how to clean around it, make sure she doesn't cut the root off. If you don't cut the root off of it, it'll grow back again next season. We learn from our elders. Whatever traditions that we know or customs was taught by our elders. This is the little one compared to what we have found.
How big do they get?
They get big, maybe sometimes this big.
Wow.
And what you do is tell it to grow whenever you get ready to leave. You say, "Ige dola, atasai, ige na hotlai." I'll come back and get you. And you're asking it to grow. So you think and ask with everything that you hunt and find in the Cherokee way.